Hello everyone. I am Dr. Prashant Vazirani, consultant interventional cardiologist from Ahmedabad. So today I am going to talk about heart attack. So what is heart attack? Heart supplies blood to the whole body. But who supplies blood to the heart? So these are the vessels called as coronary arteries, and whenever they get blocked, then it leads to heart attack. Because of blocking of these vessels, there is decrease in oxygen and nutrients to the heart, which leads to damage to the muscle and heart attack eventually. So why does heart attack? What are the risk factors? Some are modifiable and some are non-modifiable. Non-modifiable means they are not in your control, like your age, your genetics, your family history. Some are modifiable, like smoking, chewing tobacco, obesity, physical inactivity, and unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy diet, stress. Dyslipidemia means your high blood lipids and cholesterol levels. So what are the signs and symptoms? Most commonly, we see patients with a typical chest pain, which is typical central chest pain, which is heaviness and pressing kind of a chest pain, or a fullness or a squeezing. But most often, also we see patients who don't have this typical chest pain, which is known as atypical symptoms, like just nausea, vomiting, sweatings, dizziness, breathlessness on exertion. So these are also symptoms of heart attack, which should not be ignored. So what can you do to prevent yourself from having this heart attack? So you should have a healthy lifestyle, eat healthy food, take your medications as given by your physician, mainly the hypertension and the diabetes medicines, getting your health checkups regularly after the age of 35 to 40 years, and yearly annual health checkup is very important. Control your high blood pressures, keep your salt intake within 2.5 to 3 grams as recommended, stop smoking, decrease your tobacco chewing, and control your cholesterol levels, your dyslipidemia, and maintain your sugar levels within your normal range if you are a diabetic. Emphasize on the diet, which is a cardiologist called the Mediterranean diet, which is a high fruits, whole grains diet, which includes more of fish, nuts. Limit yourself with the sugary foods and the carbohydrate rich fruits and the beverages. Exercise daily and maintain an ideal body weight. 30 minutes of daily physical activity is we recommend. Also, in your annual health checkup, stress that you have an ECG and an echo done, because after the age of 40 years, your chances of having a heart disease increase exponentially. So keep a check on your ECG, your sugar levels, your lipid levels, exercise daily, and maintain a healthy body weight and a healthy lifestyle. That is all you need to keep your heart in a healthy conditions. Thank you.